Good day, everyone. Well, if you're unable to find your taskbar and if you want to open the taskbar, what you need to do is to look at a keyboard and press Windows key, which has four squares in it. Press it, and together you need to press I as in ice cream. Window and I together, it will open up the settings for you. And then we need to go to this personalization. And here we will scroll down to taskbar. We will click on that, and then we will click on taskbar behaviors and uncheck this automatically hide the taskbar. So if you have hidden your taskbar, you can unhide like this, and this is how you can show and open your taskbar in Windows 11. You can also pin or unpin apps. You can simply drag it, or you can simply click on the start menu, do a right click on any of the app, and you can pin it to the taskbar like this. Alright, if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial has helped you or not. If yes, do leave a comment. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.